Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is my video on my Thai curry that I make. So first of all, you're going to want to cut up your pepper into strips as big or small as you want. I usually use 2 peppers, but today I only use 1. Then you're going to want to get your button mushrooms and give them a good wash, and then you're going to want to chop them up the same. So then you've basically your goal is to get a very good collection of yummy vegetables that you can fry. So you're going to put some cooking oil in the pan, and then you're going to just add your vegetables. I always put the vegetables on to a medium heat. Then what you're going to do is get some Thai paste. I recommend Blue Dragon and the green Thai paste, but it doesn't really matter. And you're going to add a bit of that, and then you're going to add about half your coconut milk. So you just put that straight into the pan. And for the Thai paste, it's kind of play it as you go. Depends how spicy you want it. It depends how much you're cooking. But usually I put most of the Thai paste in and about half to 2/3 of the coconut milk in. You can add chicken or prawns to the recipe at the beginning, and you do this by just frying the chicken or the prawns in the pan just before you add in the vegetables. But today I couldn't do that, unfortunately, because there was no chicken or prawns at my store, so it was a bit sad, but I just decided to go for the vegetarian option. I want to take this opportunity to apologise for the bad quality of this video. I had to film it on my iPhone because I still have zero clue how to edit videos on my camera because I don't have any software right now, so unless it's just straight uploading, I just can't do it. As you can see here, I am adding more Thai paste. This is because I tasted it and there was definitely not enough. So you can just add more as much as you want. The rice today I used long grain, even though I much prefer basmati, but there was none left. So what I do is you get the pot, I guess, and you fill it up with boiling hot water, just enough that it kind of covers it, but today I didn't do a very good job, as you will see. And you bring that to the boil, and then you put it at a low medium temperature and add a lid. Once you've finished with the rice, you're just going to want to serve. Today I was making lunch for me and my dad, so I just shoved the rice on a plate and then added the Thai curry. This is my favourite recipe because it's so easy to make, and you can add or remove anything you don't like from it. It tastes amazing, and you can keep it for another day if you really want, putting it in the fridge. I love it, and it really cheers me up during the lockdown, and it's also really easy to make, so you can do it very easily. I hope you're all staying safe and well, and thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and a dislike if you didn't. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye!